Let's solve the following system of linear inequality. So here we are given the absolute value of 3x minus 2 is less than or equals to half. So here, to begin with, we'll start with the definition of absolute value. We know that the absolute value is given by a positive value of x if x is a positive number and negative x if x is a negative number. So that means we can say if we have negative 2, its value will be equals to negative of negative 2. Since we have to consider a negative of x, so this makes it positive. And if we have absolute value of 2, so that by definition is 2. So that means regardless of the sign of the value within these two parallel lines, the absolute value is always going to be a positive number. Now, if we have absolute value of x less than a, so here we can have two possibilities. One possibility is that if x is positive, then we can say that x is less than or equals to a. And the other case will be if x is less than 0, that in that case we have negative x less than or equals to a, or simply x is greater than or equals to negative a. So here what we have done, we have multiplied both sides with negative 1, and when we do that, the sign of the inequality changes. So we have two values. X could be either less than or equals to a, or x could be greater than or equals to a. Now, if we combine this value, this simply means that our value of x is greater than negative a and it's less than a. So in a way, we can say that whenever we have x less than or equals to a, then we can simply write that x must lie between negative a and positive a. Now, using the same idea, now we will try to find out the solution to this given system of linear inequality. So here we have absolute value of 3x minus 2. So this is less than or equals to half. Now here we can say that 3x minus 2 is going to lie between negative half and positive half. Right. Now what we'll do, we'll add 2 throughout. So that means we'll add negative 2 to negative half. Then we're going to add 2 to 3x minus 2. And we'll also add 2 to half. So negative half plus 2, that gives us 3 over 2. This is less than or equals to 3x, which is less than or equals to 5 over 2. Now we want to make the coefficient of x 1. So here we have a 3. That means we will divide throughout by 3. And 3 is a positive number, so it's not going to affect the sign of the inequality. So what we'll do, we'll multiply throughout by 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 multiplied to 3 over 2. 1 over 3 multiplied to 3x, and 1 over 3 multiplied to 5 over 2. So here we'll get half less than or equals to x less than or equals to 5 over 6. So that means the solution will be x lying between half and 5 over 6 when you start with the condition that absolute value of 3x minus 2 is less than or equals to half. And if we want to express this value in the interval form, then we'll say that x belongs to the solution set, which is half to 5 over 6. And here we have used the closed interval because the endpoint values, that is half and 5 over 6, are part of the solution. So this is the solution to the given system of linear inequality.